Hey tech fans, this is Jeff again, and today I have the Kuzy protective case for the MacBook Pro 2017 and 2016 models with the Touchbar. So we'll do a quick unboxing and show you guys around this case in case you just got one for Christmas and you want something to protect it. This is a really popular option on Amazon. I've had these cases before for other laptops and they work fairly well, but let's dig into it and see what it's like for the MacBook Pro 2016-2017 with Touchbar. So really simple casing, and I got the gray model to match the space gray on the MacBook Pro that I just purchased. But enough said about that. Here is the actual case. So here we go with two of the pieces. Here it is for the top and little styrofoam inside. And then we have this on the bottom with little rubber feet. Again, very simple design, very easy to use. This is the back, here's the front, and there's more cellophane wrapping. So we'll get that taken care of and then put this on the MacBook Pro and show you guys what that's about. So we'll fast forward through the installation, but I will say that it takes a couple of times to get it on because it is pretty tight. I think going in from the back to the front makes it a little bit easier, but taking your time with it is definitely recommended. There we go, got the snaps on, and lid is now secure. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So it's now on all four corners. It's a nice fit. And just like the Apple logo, the Kuzy logo is facing the right way, so when it's open, people can tell what type of laptop protector you're using. And then the bottom piece, again, a little bit of extra work to get these things snapped in. There you go, just heard that. And the corner should now fit. Yeah, it looks like a nice fit. This is a very, very tight fitting case, meaning it shouldn't just slip off if you install it correctly. But as you guys saw, I was struggling a little bit to get it on, but doesn't increase the weight by too much, but it is noticeable. The 15-inch MacBook Pro is pretty heavy to begin with, but this should give it some nice protection, not have to worry about being ultra sensitive with it. But anyways, let me know if they found that video useful. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me below, and subscribe for more videos like this coming up soon. Thanks everyone.